Our planet is changing. Temperatures are rising, ice caps are melting, sea levels are creeping higher. We are facing a global crisis, climate change. The very survival of countless species, including our own, is at stake. The time to act is now. The evidence is all around us. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and more intense. Heat waves scorch the land. Hurricanes batter coastlines. Floods devastate communities. The delicate balance of our planet is under threat. We have already witnessed the devastating consequences of inaction. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. Species are disappearing at an alarming rate. The very fabric of life on Earth is unraveling. We must act now to mitigate the effects of climate change. In the face of this global challenge, a new wave of hope is emerging: green technology. Innovative minds around the world are developing groundbreaking solutions to combat climate change. From capturing carbon emissions to cleaning our oceans, technology is offering a ray of hope. These technologies are not a distant dream. They are being developed and deployed today, offering tangible solutions to the climate crisis. While they may not offer an overnight fix, they represent a significant step in the right direction. Carbon capture technology, for instance, is trapping carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial processes, preventing them from entering the atmosphere. This technology has the potential to significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Ocean cleaning robots are another promising innovation. These autonomous machines are collecting plastic waste from our oceans, helping to restore the health of our marine ecosystems. These robots are a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to protecting our planet. Carbon dioxide. It's invisible, odorless, and yet it's a major contributor to climate change. This gas traps heat, leading to rising temperatures and disrupting the planet's delicate climate balance. But what if we could capture this harmful gas? That's the idea behind carbon capture and storage, CCS technology. It acts like a giant vacuum cleaner, sucking up carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and factories. The captured CO2 is then transported and stored deep underground, preventing it from warming the planet. CCS is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential. Imagine a future where our industries operate without releasing harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This technology could be a game changer in our fight against climate change. Section 4. Cleaning our oceans, one robot at a time. Our oceans are drowning in plastic. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our seas, harming marine life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. But there's hope on the horizon. Ocean cleaning robots. These autonomous machines are patrolling our waters, acting like robotic garbage collectors. Using advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, they identify and collect plastic debris of all shapes and sizes. Some robots even skim the water's surface, removing harmful microplastics. Ocean cleaning robots are just one example of how technology can help us clean up our planet. While they can't solve the plastic problem alone, they offer a glimpse into a future where technology helps us restore the health of our oceans. Section 5. A green revolution fueled by nature. Nature itself holds the key to combating climate change. Bioengineering, the application of engineering principles to biological systems, is unlocking innovative solutions to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Imagine crops engineered to absorb more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, effectively acting as carbon sinks. Picture biofuels derived from algae, providing a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of bioengineering. Bioengineering is not without its challenges. Ethical concerns and potential unintended consequences must be carefully considered. However, the potential benefits for a sustainable future are undeniable. By harnessing the power of nature, we can create a greener, healthier planet for generations to come.
GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting.